Arkansas, a routine traffic stop turned into a fight for survival within seconds. A driver speeding at 114 miles per hour ignored the trooper's commands. Resistance behind the wheel quickly escalated into violence. And now, the dashcam reveals the dramatic moments as it all unfolded.
Get out of the car. Get out. Like that. Wait out. Get out of the car. We're gonna get Wait. Get out of the car. Roll over right now.
Why?
Roll over. You're going to jail. Roll over. I'm going to pull the trigger.
Why?
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over on your stomach. Now. Roll over.
I feel like why?
Roll over.
Wait.
Roll over on your stomach. Roll over on your stomach.
Okay, I'm done.
Roll over.
Okay.
Now.
Okay.
Roll over.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Roll over.
I'm done.
Roll over.
Okay.
You're going to jail.
Why? I'm going to my house.
Roll over. Roll over.
I'm going to my house.
Roll over.
I'm going to my house. I'm going to my house. Everything. No. Why? Only say why? Why? Into my home. Into my home.
Give me that taser now.
No. Because into my home.